May ikan ni katupya. Paibong peg. Tong mamaya manu ba ay mayame yang badi Christmas. Hatu simi ang gumno. Menyetok mamaya bi maya. Sisa. Ban tere maya me. Maya li cakap angel sya.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance balayalam deka National People's Party klaai Kyrshan ya Women's Reservation Bill belatarwa dek Sorkar National Democratic Alliance balayalam dek Bharatiya Janata Party ban panlong an kenang ban mangkerpang ya bah juki kantai ban mikmat aka parlimen bat aging derbar tawan ha jengkran biklat pathai kubor ha khat ritrik uyayong arja apun rio menteri rang ba ka jala konrat ke sangma ula ong bakani ka senjam yang Sorkar Pdeng ka de jing angnut kabla slamba babla kentui sangsan perthai badi kenhun ba fer bakin ai ka Kyrshan ba pura ya ni ka jingthmu.
This women's reservation bill that has been introduced in Parliament, special session today, is a very, very welcome step on part of the government of India, especially the Honorable Prime Minister. This has been a long pending demand, a long pending issue, and this is something that should have been done a long time back. But we must give credit to Honorable Prime Minister for this bold step and the bold decision that he has taken. There will always be critics. There will always be people who will argue in different ways. But if you look at the larger section of society and the larger impact that it will have on democratic representation, which, as we have seen, whether it's Meghalaya state or even in the parliament, that the representation of women is not as at the level that it should be. This will be a very, very important democratic reform and will allow representation of women at the top level to be able to take decisions which will help overall the society and women, especially at large. And it's, as I said, it's a very positive decision. We as a government and as a political party, the National People's Party, we completely support this decision. We are very, very happy with this decision. And at every level, whatever is required, we will support it. And at the same time, I urge that all political parties, all organizations across society must support a positive reform like this, as it will be in the larger interest of the state and the country as a whole. Delimitation is, of course, another aspect. If you look at the overall demographic changes that are taking place, population trends that are there, delimitation is the need of the hour. So hence, it must be done. And overall, to implement the Women's Reservation Bill or the Act when it is passed, we will be looking at the details of how it will be implemented. So those details are not with us right now. But as I said, I'm sure discussions will take place, and there will be scope for discussion and scope for intervention to see how the implementation of both delimitation as well as the Women's Reservation Act, it's a bill right now, but as and when it is passed, will not be as disruptive as as it could be, and disruption would be minimized. So yes, both need to go hand in hand.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.